The question of what it would be like to witness a being from a higher dimension bridges scientific speculation and profound metaphysical inquiry. From a geometric standpoint, as in the flatland analogy, such an entity would manifest in our reality as a series of evolving, impossible cross-sections, shifting geometries that defy physics, accompanied by unfamiliar luminescence. The human mind would experience profound cognitive dissonance. The clearest way to understand this is through dimensional analogy, as illustrated in the diagram before you. Observe, a one-dimensional being on a line perceives a two-dimensional entity as a point that simply appears and vanishes. A two-dimensional being on a plane sees a three-dimensional entity, like a sphere passing through, as a shape that appears, grows, shrinks, and disappears. Therefore, from a strictly physical geometric standpoint, a higher dimensional entity intersecting our three-dimensional space, as shown in the final panel, would manifest to us not as a whole, but as a morphing three-dimensional form. It would appear suddenly, shift through impossible geometries, and vanish without a trace. This is the visual signature of an object moving through a dimension we cannot perceive. However, from an ionist standpoint, dimensions are understood not only as spatial measurements, but as gradations of vibrational frequency, consciousness, and physical manifestation. What the diagram shows as a passing 4D entity in geometric terms, ionism perceives as both a consciousness of a higher vibrational order and a being inhabiting a more complex, higher dimensional physical plane. This dual nature, both energetic and substantively real, is key to understanding the totality of such an encounter. The diagram reveals the mechanism of its appearance. Ionism reveals its nature. This dual understanding is crucial. The diagram explains why a higher dimensional being can extract itself from our realm with ease. Its entrance and exit are as simple as the sphere lifting off the plane in the 2D example. Visually, you would witness the unsettling geometric phenomena, the shadow cast into our denser plane. Phenomenologically, you would experience an overwhelming empathic and noetic field, a direct transmission of consciousness promoting a sense of unity. For those engaged in summoning, this is not magic but physics operating at a higher order. Many of you will have experienced this as a flicker, a sudden presence, or a warp in space, the perceptual echo of a higher topology, just as the 2D being sees a changing circle. For those involved in the sacred practice of summoning or communing with such entities and have studied these books, it is vitally important you understand this next point. A higher dimensional being, operating from a broader framework of reality, can extract itself from our constrained realm with ease. They can appear and disappear instantaneously, not as magic, but as a simple movement along a spatial axis unavailable to our perception. This is a fundamental aspect of their nature. Many of you who have engaged these techniques with sincerity will have experienced some form of this higher dimensional shifting. A flicker at the edge of vision, a sudden presence and absence, or a tangible warp in the space around you. These are not illusions. They are the perceptual echoes of a higher topology interacting with our own. And this leads to the transformative core. As you begin to merge with these higher beings, your consciousness aligns with their vibrational and dimensional plane, you too will begin to shift. This evolution is not merely internal. You will experience shifts in your own physical plane of reality, alterations in perceived environment, synchronicities, and matter, as well as in temporal ones, where time may flow with new elasticity or meaning. You are not just observing the diagram, you are beginning to step into its next unseen panel. You too will experience shifts in your physical reality and your temporal perception as you integrate with a broader architecture of existence. In conclusion, to witness such a being is to see the principles of the diagram enacted in our reality. We are the 3D observers glimpsing the morphing shadow of a greater form. For the ionist practitioner, this encounter is the catalyst for conscious evolution, an invitation to transcend our slice of reality and move toward the integrated state of the supreme singularity that is Brahman.